Okay, so what are we doing?
We're swinging in the
No,
engine.
no, no.
We're swinging in the engine and trans!
Attaboy, so that's what we're doing today. It's been a rough night for one of us.
Oh, it wasn't me.
Good old migraines. So I guess today we're staying out here because there's music playing and I can't afford to be copywritten
stricken again!
anymore.
What is this, gonna be number 4 you just done?
5.
5.
4 is still in dispute, so if any of you are thinking of doing YouTube, no, don't. So we gotta make that right side up, bolt that to that, and then onto that. We're putting that in today. One of the garbage can. What? Sure has. Can you see me? Am I seeable? How's it going, guys? So it's the end of the day. As you can tell, it's dark and you might not see me. I'm sure as hell not turning on the flashlight. So unfortunately didn't get much footage. I think we got right up coming to the climax and then just cut it. I don't know if you could tell, but I really was not feeling well this morning. I thought I was gonna pass out and die. Darn it. I'm still here. So anyway, I had to go inside and cry, lay down and be a little girl for a bit. I feel pretty much the same, but moving on. My brother was being a champ today and he toughed it out and he got her in there pretty much alone. So I mean, that's pretty good. Can't fault that. That's pretty damn impressive. We decided to not take the core support out, like the rad support out, because that would have been too easy. So whatever. So that's now going to be an update. This might be the last video before it fires up because we're getting pretty damn close. So let me show you guys around. Oh yeah, look at that. Wow, looks terrible in here. So first off, the most impressive thing. Boom. That's beauty. That's gonna look so good. So I'm jealous. He's also gonna throw in a ratchet shifter, which again, I'm very jealous. So he's been working on that. He's been busting his ass lately trying to get her done. So I mean, boom, what else do you need? Air, fuel, trans temp, oil pressure. So perfect for the first start. All 3 of them probably not going to work. Hopefully oil pressure, but well, let's not get greedy now, hey? So that's pretty much it on the inside. The rest is outside and it's dark, so good luck, Rain. Good luck. Jesus, this driveway's been busy over the last few years. Oof, seen some shit. So first off, I'd like to point out, engine cranes are empty. That means stuff happened. Jesus, let me just trip over everything. So, 500,000 kilometers, engine, trans, both are good. Transfer case, not as good. There's a video on that. But, boom. Gonna bling right on out of here. So, she's in. And he pulled that off himself. Shaved the truck intake. It looks beautiful. Very jealous of that. He was supposed to film that for his channel, and he didn't. So, nice one, Kyle. Other than that, 5.3 LS cammed, stage 4 cam. She's going to be rowdy. Pretty much just got a wiring harness to throw in, and she'll be right for a first startup. I mean, really harness and then spark plug wires and probably run open manifolds, because that's not frowned upon. So she's getting there. It's in. It's getting very real. Transmission, not so set up. Has a shift kit, but we need a drive shaft to parties. I apologize, I couldn't get much footage of that. Yeah, I'm pretty serious. I was not feeling great. You should be able to see that. So that's that. Possibly the best update of all. HG hood is on, and it latches. She just needs to be about 12 inches lower with about 3-inch taller rims, and she'd be okay. We're getting there. It is, however, very cold outside still. And now that it's dark, it's even more colder outside still. So, I guess that's this episode. More of an update, not so much a video. Still cool, nice to see stuff happen. Again, didn't think this would ever happen to this poor thing. But within a week, engine out, new engine built, trans, shift kit, throw it all in. So, props to him. We are doing the rear wheel drive conversion. It's going to be a 4L80 to the Chevy 10 bolt rear end. That was my only light source. That just turned off. Oh, okay, I just had to mention it. So I'm calling it right now. The shift kit works. If it works, oh boy, should work. We know what we're doing. G80 is gonna explode. We're a ways down the road from that. It's gonna need a custom drive shaft, so that's gonna be our next holdup. Once we get our first fire going, we should have headers in 2 weeks. We're gonna go some nice speed engineering. That's all I've ran on my trucks, and I'm sure it'll do just fine on this old girl. So I guess that's it for today. Bit of interior mods. Most important thing is the drivetrain is in the car. It has a heart again. So we're gonna try and do a nice clean engine bay, relocate some things and wire tuck as we can. So just keep watching for that. Hopefully next video will fire her up. Next footage is going to be Civic or this thing, so hang on tight. I know you guys love that Civic. Yes, thank you guys for watching. Appreciate it. If you like what you're seeing, subscribe. If not, subscribe. Later, fellas.